Plastic Model Builders, hello, it is me, Ari Stone of Plastic Model Builder. Guess what we got here? It's the Tamiya P-38 F/G Lightning. This is a box break. We're going to show you what's inside. You know, good artwork. Got everything on the side here. And of course, how they want to paint it. See what's inside. Looking forward to doing this model. I've heard good things about it. It is a, manufactured by Lockheed Martin, the original. This is a Tamiya kit. So let's see, our first bag we got right here. Looks like it's going to be the wings and part of the mid-fuselage, if you could even call it that. The next bag, of course, top wing half. At least I say it's top wing half. Looks like it's actually the bottom because it's got looks like wheels, cockpit pieces in it. Over here on this side is where the engines and the wings will meet up with. Stabilizers on the rear, as well. It looks like flaps and door stuff. Right here, wings and props. This has got two pieces in it. Looks like a lot of bombs and wheels going on here. Finally, some clear plastic parts. And then this looks like the wheel wells. These right here are going to house the ball bearings, which are glued very well inside of this kit. Got 3 ball bearings. This thing is a nose sitter, tail sitter, not a nose sitter. Got a little bit of information packet right here. Wonderful color fold out brochure of your paint schemes, typical of Tamiya. Look at that, green and gray colors. We'll have to figure out which one of those we want to do. Got a bag right here which contains the decals and some masks for the canopies. Let's see how well that goes. Does this even open up? Yeah, be careful with this. Not easy to open. I'm probably going to damage something doing this, but you know how I go. I just roll with the flow. There we go. Simple. These right here, never seen that before, so this is a first for me. Shiny decals. Guess that represents a mirror, aluminum parts, whatever it is. Shark teeth. And of course, we've got this right here. Seatbelt harnesses. And then, the other thing it has, which really isn't important, tip text. But this is instruction manual. Lots of pages here, lots of steps. Read it carefully. We have, how many pages is this? 17, 18, 19 pages, 20 if you include the back. 54 different steps. This is the kit. Looks like it's got a lot of parts. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like. I look forward to building this kit. I look forward to showing you the kit. Until next time, see ya.